For this year, we focused on bringing in our executives from both the airport, our federal partners, city and NGO partners that would have a role in responding to any type of emergency, specifically at LAX International Airport.
So whereas normally for exercises, you may be working with first line supervisors, you may be working with frontline workers, and the tactical decisions that they're making are very different than leadership decisions that a CEO or other executive vice presidents or executive staff members might be thinking through.
When we began looking at this exercise, we were asked to create something unique and different, something beyond the traditional tabletop exercise that many people have sat through. They wanted a lot of interactivity. They wanted people up and moving and talking with each other.
I thought it was very important to, kind of educate them on how we respond to emergencies, and then walk through several scenarios to sort of test and apply their knowledge to various types of scenarios.
We were really focused on how that policy level group, the crisis leadership team, communicated with one another. So we created a scenario. It was aircraft incident, and really the focus was on how different people in that policy group received information and at what time frame. So we set it up to where different groups of people were receiving different information through different means. One may be a text message, one may be a phone call, one may be social media, and we intentionally put conflicting information in there. So they had to work through this aircraft incident and through the impacts on the passengers and to the airport without having a full picture of the real information.
They were participating, they were actively having conversations, they were asking questions, and they were taking feedback and input from the other staff who were there, other executives that were experts in whatever field or department they were running.
So everyone walked away from the exercise, really engaged, and I think they had a good experience. They walked away wanting more.
And so exercises like this allow them to ask questions, allow them to provide their thought process for decision making, and helps us as emergency managers, as other executive team members, hear what their priorities and strategic decisions are, because at that executive level, they're going to be creating policy for us.
That was one of those unwritten objectives in the exercise, was getting our participants to ask for more training, more exercises, or more information about our plans and procedures and roles and responsibilities. And we completely were able to accomplish that. And I think that is directly due to the unique design of the exercise that really grabbed their attention. And we gave them something that they haven't seen before.